Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your ZTE Blade A7s, at the first you have to open your calendar so we can find it in the Google folder, or no, you can find it in the menu. It's right here. Then click here, tap that we got it. Click on the switcher, then tap on the event. And then the first we can add the title. We can change other things here. For example, we can add location, we can invite people, change the date. So if you set up everything, you have to click on the right upper corner to save. And as you can see, here we got our event. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.